Hello guys, my name is Junita Putri Saifala. I'm from To Be Publishing, and in this video, I want to presentation about short article. Literacy Concert Publisher. The ability to read and write Indonesian people is suspect to be still low. Book production and consumption is one of the measurements. The low literacy can also be seen in schools when students work on reading basic language equations. In general, they are slow in digesting text or even still having difficulty capturing the main idea of a paragraph. Ironically, this even happens among students of tertiary education or even public officials. The support and attention of policymakers, both at school and at the level of public officials, to support literacy appears to be lacking. Reading and writing are still not considered an important basic of education. Sometimes the support and attention is more formal. A concrete example, so far not many schools have given serious attention to the development of libraries and other sporting activities to support the spirit of reading and writing. In addition, school and policymakers in the public administrations, there are other parties who can actually play a role in increasing literacy, especially among students and adolescents, namely publisher. As a book factory, publisher actually becomes one of the important players in living literacy. It it is the publisher who provides reading material for the public. The most visible role of publisher is in the provision of quality reading material and is of public interest. In this context, publishers who have the ideals to help develop literacy and educate the nation's life with certainly and therefore to publish quality reading. In a number of ways, publishers will try to control the quality of the books there are. However, in the face of market development and competition, sometimes book publishers are quite pragmatic. As a result, sometimes the quality of the book is not maintained. Besides relating to be element within the publisher itself, in fact, the book publisher can play a greater role to support the literacy movement, especially in school or among adolescents or the community in general. The from can. Why there are so many book publishers in Indonesia? The ability to read and write Indonesian people is suspect to be still low. Where is the short story published? His short stories have previously been published everywhere, ranging from Kompas, Republika, Media Indonesia, Horizon, and media throughout the archipelago. Who founded fiction publishing? The man whose real name was Edi Mulyono, who was born in Sumeneb before establishing a publisher, has indeed been in the world of authorship, especially fiction. To respond, the support and attention of policymakers, both at school and at the level of public officials, to support literacy appears to be lacking. Reading and writing are still not considered an important basis of education. What? In addition to school and policymakers in the public administration, there are other parties who can actually play a role in increasing literacy, especially among students and adolescents, namely publishers. When the article was made, 13, 13 April 2013. And it is nomina and verba. This is active and passive. Reason why the writer asks the tenses. Because the writer asks the tenses to describe an action, an event, or condition that is occurring in the present. This all that I can presentation about short article. I hope you understand. Thank you.